Today, we're going to make some delicious strawberry cookies. To make these cookies, we'll prepare dry ingredients first with 195 grams of cake flour, 9 grams of strawberry powder, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then let's make wet ingredients. 80 grams of unsalted butter. Make sure that the butter is softened so it's easy to mix. Add 65 grams of sugar and mix well. Now add half the portion of egg to the mix, and then add the remaining egg to mix. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Once the butter mixture is mixed well, add dry ingredients that were prepared earlier. We are going to mix this until it becomes a nice smooth texture. Place it on wax paper and roll it out carefully to a 5 mm thickness. We will leave this in fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. While this is getting ready, let's make cream. Mix 70 grams of unsalted butter. Add 35 grams of condensed milk, 35 grams of strawberry jam, and half a teaspoon of strawberry powder. We need to mix this really well so it becomes a nice thick texture. Cut cookies into 5 by 5 centimeters and bake at 324 12 minutes. Let them cool off. Fill the cookies with cream that we prepared and place another cookie on top. Now we have delicious strawberry scent cookies. And there you have it, folks. Enjoy your scrumptious strawberry cookies. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And follow me for more mouth-watering treats. Happy baking!